Ever experienced the sensation of shouldering the weight of the world, grappling with life's challenges from personal conflicts to feeling undervalued? This was the daily reality for Marcus Aurelius. Picture yourself navigating leadership responsibilities while constantly confronting betrayal, illness, and rejection. In this video, we'll delve into how Marcus Aurelius found solace and strength in Stoicism, turning his struggles into triumphs. Have you ever felt ignored or overlooked by someone important? It's tough making you tiptoe cautiously, but remember, lack of response doesn't equate to defeat. So, how can you flip the script? By using these moments to your advantage. Stick around as I share insights on employing strategies like reverse psychology to transform indifference into opportunities for growth and positivity. Let's dive in. Number 1. Embrace emotional equilibrium. Stoicism teaches us to maintain composure and emotional fortitude when facing indifference. Instead of reacting emotionally, focus on introspection, responding with grace and respect. Number 2. Practice considered silence. Rather than using silence as a tool for manipulation, embrace it for personal reflection and emotional mastery. Let silence be an avenue for self-improvement, not a weapon. Number 3. Practice mutual disengagement. Reciprocate indifference not as a means of retaliation, but as a path to self-growth. Concentrate on personal values and emotional self-sufficiency. Number 4. Cultivate self-reliance over seeking attention. Seek contentment and emotional autonomy within yourself, rather than seeking external validation. Number 5. Embody your worth with grace. Subtly demonstrate your value through actions and character, aligning with Stoic ideals of self-betterment and respect for others. Number 6. Enhance social presence with purpose. Focus on personal growth and positively impacting your community, rather than seeking external validation. Number 7. Kindness with emotional boundaries. Maintain kindness while preserving emotional detachment, focusing on what you can control. Number 8. Cultivate self-focused mindfulness. Shift focus towards personal well-being and development, away from those who ignore you. Number 9. Maintain composure. Carry on with your life calmly and confidently, demonstrating inner strength and resilience. Number 10. Practice indifference with discretion. Tactfully refrain from engaging with those who consistently ignore you, prioritizing your emotional well-being. Number 11. Display your true potential. Demonstrate qualities and capabilities that may not be initially apparent, focusing on personal growth rather than seeking validation. Number 12. Implement strategic distance. Disengage and cease contact when necessary to preserve dignity and prioritize mental health. Seek enjoyment and social connections. Redirect attention towards activities and relationships that bring joy and fulfillment. Remember, your worth is not defined by others' actions or perceptions. By embodying Stoic principles, you can navigate indifference with resilience and grace.